Today I am going to do the review of this Bombay Shaving Company trimmer. I will also do the live trimming test and let you know whether you should buy this trimmer or you must ignore it. So make sure watch this video till the end. Hi there, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel trimmerforman.in. Alright guys, this is the box of Bombay Shaving Company trimmer. At the front hand side you will be able to see few features. On the right hand side also they have mentioned few features. We are going to discuss each and everything one by one, but before that let me unbox the box. Inside the box, first of all you are going to get one user manual, one trimmer that is completely in grey color. We are going to discuss more about this, just give me some time. With this trimmer there is one charging docket, one USB charging cable, one trimmer oil, but unfortunately you can see there is no oil in this box. It is completely empty. With this you will get 4 different attachment, that is 3mm, 6mm, 9mm and 12mm. At the end you will get one comb and one cleaning brush. So guys, these are all accessories that you are going to get inside the box. This is our Bombay Shaving Company trimmer. If we look at the build quality, it is really looking great and it comes in completely grey color. Front hand side you will get the T-shaped stainless steel blade that can be removed from here very easily, and if you want to fix it, it is also very easy. You can just fix it like this. Here is our power on and off button, and just below there you will find the charging indicator. At the bottom there is a charging port. You can also charge this trimmer with the help of the charging docket that comes with the trimmer. If you look at the charging time, it is 2 hours, and once you do the complete charge you will get max to max 80 minutes of battery backup. This trimmer also support IPX6 water rating, means you can wash this trimmer in the water, no problem on that. But before going forward, I would like to tell you this is not a sponsored video. I have only purchased this trimmer to let you know whether you should buy it or ignore it. If you want to support my channel, you can buy this trimmer from the link given in the description section below. If you buy from my link, you will also get it at the best price. Now let's go forward. As here you can see, my beards are quite long. So first of all, I am going to trim my beard at 3mm setting.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Alright guys, as here you can see, finally I have trimmed my beard at 3mm settings and overall trimming quality is just excellent. This trimmer is very capable of trimming your beard very smoothly. Now it's time to trim our beard at 0.5mm settings, and that is directly with the help of blade, and let's find out how much clean shaved look you will get. Alright guys, as you can see, finally I have trimmed my beard at 0.5mm settings. Let me show you the close-up look. So if you trim directly with the help of blade, you will get this much small beard on your skin. And if I talk about the performance, it is really excellent. It trims your beard very smoothly. There is only one disadvantage that I have found on this trimmer, that this blade gets heat at very less time. That is not sound good. Other than this trimmer is really excellent. If you want to buy this trimmer below 1200 rupees, then this is highly recommended from my side. Alright guys, this is all about today. I hope you have found this video helpful. Then kindly hit the like button, and if you are planning to buy this trimmer at best price, you can check the link in the description section below, or you can also click here to buy the trimmer. If you buy trimmer from my link, it is going to help this channel, as well as you will also get it at the best price. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe it and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.